Yo, what is up, guys? It's Jet7 here today, and today I realized that we reached 100 subscribers, which is amazing. Really appreciate the support and of course subscribing to my channel. I think that's what you are. Subscribe for something else, or subscribe for lobbies, and matter of fact, I'm hosting right now online recoveries, all that good shit. Just gotta go to my website below to check out the packages I'm selling. But I just wanted to say thank you for 100 subscribers, and it means a lot to me. So yeah, I'm not doing anything special for 100 subscribers. Well, yeah, I guess I am. I'm thinking about doing a face cam or something like that. I don't know. So stay tuned for that, I guess. Yeah, just wanted to say thanks for 100 subscribers, and can't wait to keep going and reach 200. But that's gonna take like another 4 years, so that's okay. So yeah, that's it for today's video, and I'm out.